For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
A public beta test was sent off for the Hedera Hashgraph organization, a dispersed vault with a proclaimed throughput of 10,000 exchanges each second. The stage likewise sent off its own Hedera Hashgraph digital currency bar as well as a help for savvy agreements and document stockpiling. Moreover, there are as of now north of 36 applications previously working on its premise. Hedera Hashgraph Review Hashgraph, the hbar blockchain, is a more productive option to blockchain. It is likewise a conveyed library, yet one that utilizes an alternate approach to composing blocks. Rather than an unmistakable grouping of blocks, blockchain, the hashgraph utilizes a directed acyclic graph, DAG, which records data in and on straightaway, without a successive chain of blocks. Digital forms of money, for example, IOTA, Byteball and Tangle are as of now working based on DAG. On account of DAG, the hashgraph guarantees every one of the benefits of the blockchain, however without its downside as low exchange speed. In its most broad structure, a hashgraph agreement functions as follows: network members, hubs, trade information by means of the gossip convention. Transaction data is shipped off to irregular hubs, sending them, thus, to two other nodes, etc. dramatically, until the quantity of informed hubs is sufficient to confirm the exchange. Nodes trade just exchange information with one another, and not all data about the organization, while data is put away not in blocks, but rather in hashes. Hence, everything happens a lot quicker than in the blockchain. Transactions are kept in sequential request, so you can follow their set of experiences. The hash calculation was created and licensed in 2016 by the American mathematician Lyman Baird. Calculation freedoms are possessed by Swirlds, helped to establish and created by Baird. Swirlds' innovation was spotted by U.S. banks in October 2017, the National Credit Union Association, CUNA, and Mountain West Credit Union Association, MCUA, which framed a consortium of 6,000 banks, chose Swirlds to make a typical corporate organization. Achievement permitted them to isolate the task into a different stage, Hedera Hashgraph platform. Swirlds conceded Hedera Hashgraph a select permit, under which the organization will get 10% of Hedera Hashgraph's income. Hedera Hashgraph is a public foundation of Baird's protected hashgraph. From March to August 2018, the venture was directed by ECO, raising $124 million. SHA testing of the organization started in December 2018. The code was checked by a few review organizations, however just now the engineers have started public testing. Hedera Hashgraph at present offers 3 items: a cryptographic money, shrewd agreements, and a document administration. Any client can make a record on the organization, open a record or make dApps in light of Hedera Hashgraph, having finished the KIC assessment. Hedera Price Prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Hedera costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Hedera will be $0.090. The most extreme level that the bar cost can reach is 10 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $0.094. Bar price forecast for August 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Hedera toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical bar pace of $0.083 in August 2022. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $0.075 and at $0.085, separately. September 2022, Hedera price forecast. Digital currency specialists are prepared to report their gauge for the bar cost in September 2022. The base exchanging cost may be $0.082, while the greatest could reach $0.089 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Hedera may be around $0.085. Bar price forecast for October 2022. Crypto experts have really taken a look at the value changes of Hedera in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal bar rate they foresee may be around $0.089 in October 2022. It can drop to $0.086 as a base. The most extreme worth may be $0.094. November 2022, Hedera price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the hbar cost will be exchanged at $0.090 by and large. November 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Hedera worth to $0.098. It is expected that the cost won't drop lower than $0.087 in November 2022. Hbar price forecast for December 2022. Crypto specialists have broke down Hedera costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to December 2022, $0.094. The least and pinnacle hbar rates may be $0.090.10. Hedera price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Hedera in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Hedera will be around 13 cents. The most extreme expected hbar cost might be around 16 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost may be 13 cents in 2023. Hedera price prediction 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Hedera, in 2024, hbar is supposed to have the accompanying least and most extreme costs, about 19 cents and 22 cents, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is 20 cents. Hedera price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have broke down the costs of Hedera and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base hbar cost could drop to 28 cents, while its most extreme can reach 33 cents. By and large, the exchanging cost will be around 29 cents. Hedera price prediction 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Hedera by crypto specialists, the accompanying most extreme and least hbar costs are normal in 2026, 48 cents and 39 cents. Overall, it will be exchanged at 40 cents. Hedera price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of Hedera. In light of their forecasts, the assessed typical hbar cost will be around 62 cents. It could drop to at least 60 cents, however it actually could reach 68 cents all through 2027. Hedera price prediction 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists plan gauges at the cost of Hedera. It is assessed that hbar will be exchanged somewhere in the range of 87 cents and $1.04 in 2028.